Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find my reel draft on Instagram. So if you want to find your reel draft on Instagram, what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application you just have to swipe right. After swiping right, now you have to tap on a story or a reel and then take a reel. And after taking a reel, now you have to tap on next and then again tap on next, and in the bottom left side you can see save draft. Just tap on save draft. After saving a reel or a post to your draft, now what you have to do is just tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right, and then you have to tap on the middle play icon, which is on the middle, and here you can see your drafts. So you just have to tap on a draft which you would like to see. So this is how you can find your draft. So this is how to find your reel draft on Instagram. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.